This is a very important issue. Meghalaya Chief Minister on 2nd June, I have invited Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya Conrad Sangma to discuss this issue with us. He is coming on 2nd June. We will discuss that some water will have to come. Like if Arunachal there is a rain, people gets flood here. So I cannot say that Meghalaya is a hill, so Meghalaya water bound to come to Guwahati. But that should not be basically that should not also be basically gravity should also not be increased because of hill cutting. So that issue on 2nd June we are going to discuss with Chief Minister of Meghalaya. It will be for your interest to know that Supreme Court has also issued a notice to Government of Meghalaya and Government of Assam on this count. So I think this matter will also go to the consideration of Honorable Supreme Court. Day before yesterday, Supreme Court has issued a notice to both Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya regarding hill cutting.